Junior Kanye was the one. Yo, Nali busy. He dribbled me and he went and scored and they won. Yeah. But the following season, I play la kisa go ba le ke go a ke ba say yo a daile mo ke mfano busy busy. But I had a good game and against a good team. So
good day and welcome to Sports Geek with Sibonelo Ngcobo and oh yes, this is the sports show where anything and everything that is the sports related goes. If you are happen to be watching us for the first time, please do not forget to do the honorable thing: subscribe, like, comment, and even better, share this episode. Like they always say, the more the merrier. Talking of this episode, we all know this is your access to all to the heart of all sports through the robust conversation. And this episode is definitely no exception as we sit down with our guest. Talk of our guest, oh yes, people, they always say, if you want loyalty, get yourself a dog. But this time around, Bloemfontein Celtics, they said they will go on and defy the odds. They will not go and get themselves a dog if they want loyalty. They went and acquired the signature of our guest. I will pack his name. I will not tell you his name right now. But one thing I can tell you is that he played for Bloemfontein Celtics for a solid decade. We're talking full 10 years ago, Bloemfontein Celtics. And it was no surprise to see him captaining, donning the armband, Bloemfontein Celtics. Kabotala libutswewu, aw punya sele bana ba shebile, bashonjalo laphana. Got the seat of roses. Yonage is our guest. Maybe you can start guessing by now with whom are we having in the studio. I believe I've given you enough hint. Would he spent 10 years and he was the captain of Bloemfontein Celtics. Kabutala libutswewu. And then after 10 years, he decided to go elsewhere. But Bloemfontein, I've paid my dues. I do not owe you anything. Like they always say, it is about time and go and look for the greener pastures. He left the green and white here at Bloemfontein Celtics and went for the greener pastures. Go Claude Kopo, Mamelodi Sundowns, Bafana Bastyle, wafika wangena wathi khalakasha wathi gitseni ngiyipere ethewu ephuma laphana go Bloemfontein go Mangaung ngwanaka wangena la khona laphana uma ngaphazama. I believe he spent around about 4 to 5 years khona laphana go Bafana Bastyle. Towards the twilight of his career, I believe he did have some short stints with the likes of your Chippa United, abafana bahote, abababa njengopelepele, abafana baka Chippa Mpengesi. Kanti lapha siyathola ukuthi kwagijima nakhona laphana TS Galaxy siyadumuza the mighty Rockets. Ladies and gentlemen, help us welcome Hi, I get to give back again. Mr. Cool. I forgot another part. Yeah, profile. Yes, he played for Bloemfontein Celtics. He played for Mamelodi Sundowns. He played for Chippa United. He played for TS Galaxy. He did have some smaller relationship with Baroka FC and Zotora lapana ukwenzakalani lapana bahage bamphathela. But more and importantly, he served the national team. He played for Bafana. He did not only play for Bafana. Nakhona, he went on and donned the armband, Bafana. What more do you want from our studio guest? He did it all in as far as South African football is concerned. Ladies and gentlemen, help us welcome Thabo Mthethe.
Eita.
Still, ma'am.
Shabuja.
Mr. Cool. Mr. Cool.
No, thanks.
Mr. Cool.
I ratile the interview, the presentation. In the way I can think at it. So, le batho ba dutse mo le ba utlwa gore hey.
Ba gale.
Mo go tsena motho mo sir. But I can tell you, most to Bloemfontein, they could know who
yeah. The moment you mentioned all 10 years, we could talk captain Mamelodi Celtics, what Claude Kopo. But they could pick up with, there can only be one person.
Yeah, ke bosolo botala ne ke ka mo ka kena mo ya no mara ano ka se mo tsene fe like
mona ke mo so guys mo guys mfunane guys
o se ile botala yeah
but ka English it's green and white almost
green English ile so twa
no ka English baba baka Celtics but green and white abasho white and green
bona
or most to have a English green and white. Yeah,
Hey!
most they say
Hey,
green and white.
Arabu said
Yeah,
it's not
but
green and white. They don't say white and hey, kas khuwa.
Mara o bua ka Sotho.
Eh mona ke le khuwa.
Yeah.
I'll converta Sesotho o sisa go Sekgowa.
Eh.
O tlo pota.
So ka English it's
Yeah.
green and white.
That's why batho ba tshegiwa. Your Africans.
Yeah.
Ba zama go bua Sekgowa.
Yeah.
Tia bona.
Yeah,
It's
right.
true.
Because I will translate go Sekgowa.
Yeah, nakatile.
So ka first day.
La utlwa bana eba Bloemfontein bangihlanganyela labantu. I said mina green and white and I took that ngathi botala le bosweu. Ba re le bosweu le botala. Ay guys, guys anazi nifuna mina. Anazi
Bosweu le
nifuna. Bosweu le botala.
Yeah.
Okay,
botala.
whatever you win,
Yeah.
it's 1 against 2. So I'll let you guys get away. Now I'll let you guys get away with it for now. Lapana, yes, the social lapana Tibo Zuguti, yes, abantu base Bloemfontein. The moment I gave that intro, they knew exactly what Kibwa Kamang. But just for the benefit of our viewers, it's about KZN, Limpopo, Kai, Northern Cape, Gohaleshiwe, Go Limpopo. They want to know exactly what Tabo and Tate, Mklabung, Bambana Tabo and Tate, Asatlago Bafana, Tore Ambendi. After the instructions, go national team.
Yeah.
They didn't know what man. And like the man, guy, just give us the small and background. Tabon Tete, where was he born and bred?
Yeah. Okay, no man. Ke dumedise le di viewers go high. Yeah, Tabon Tete o tswa ko Bloemfontein. Pereng itso singangata.
Singangata.
Yeah,
Hey!
pereng itso singangata. Phameng.
Phameng, okay. Go best jig.
Yeah, not far from Holelimo.
The best jig.
Yeah, I'm not far.
The bomb piece.
So we used to walk area to the stadium. Yeah, Marcel, they will walk, you know, having the drinks on their way to the stadium. So yeah, Phameng, that's where I was born. My dad was staying on Adula Mo, le my mom.
Yes.
So my mom, Kohabona, I would walk maybe 8 minutes from my mom's house to my dad's house, parents.
So were they both staying ko Phameng?
Yes, ko Phameng. So abantu abajolani ba banyame fela.
Ke local bo.
Yeah, ke local, very close. So very close. So I'm close to both my
Maternal and paternal side.
Yes. So yeah, that's one thing, and which I was born 1984, and yeah, I did go Bloemfontein, go Phameng for many years until 92. Rezama go Bloemside, area Makalat. Yeah, area Makalat, where my dad had clothing through Transnet, because on Aspana go Transnet. So yeah, so but they were getting this thing to the loan.
Oh, okay.
That's why we moved to 92, and until now, my sister and thing Palesa and do that thing, but both my parents they both passed. My sister, it was only 2 of us.
Okay.
Yeah, so Palesa and thing go high. Lebana Bahai, so I moved na the time Kizamaya. Before Kizama Denko High, 2013, I get more Sundowns. I was still go Bloemfontein, Celtics, but I moved out Kisia, my sister control. Because I get on since Jola, Banaba, familia hola. I dated for 10 years. Got married 2011. Okay. Got married 2011. I've got 2 kids. We are based now in Pretoria with my wife. So just revisita fela Bloemfontein. The family, extended families, Borakadi, Malome, Banalo visita. So yeah, I'm still around.
So more Tennessee, no Jola.
Yeah.
No Bloma go Laji.
Kilega move out, Ratola townhouse.
Oh,
yeah.
Go.
Then go block.
Go Bloemfontein, but go Toropo. Oh. Yeah, go Toropo, because most trains are on a go Tempi. ko Masoleng.
Masoleng, good.
So re ne re na Langhoven Park. It was not far from there. So ne ke batla, you know, to be close. Although Bloemfontein is not that big, but Okila no batla ba close. Yeah. So
It's a beautiful town.
yeah.
And that time, Bloemfontein, I can tell you, it was so crime free. No, when I was blow make about my 12, 1, we see.
Yeah.
So that's horrible, Nix.
Compared to now,
Compared to now, those times it was so crime free.
it changed a lot.
Yeah, things have changed. Unfortunately, it changed for worse. Still, a second, yes, being born and bred at Bloemfontein, I will assume Uguti, your blood was also a little bit or more green and white, considering the culture, and of which maybe I assume it was no surprise Uguti, you eventually, your first contract, I assume it was with Bloemfontein Celtics. Just talk to us, how did your professional breakthrough come about, and was it with Bloemfontein Celtics, Kapa, about Bloemfontein Young Tigers,
Oh, yes. 2002, ke mone Celtics ba starta o dira di-trial. Mo e leng gore ke ntse ke tla la team e nngwe ba e bitsa Jamaican Stars. Back then, in the matcha team.
Yeah.
So
basically, where were they based?
Hededal, where
Hededal,
that
okay.
who were staying, ke play area Makalat.
Yes.
Yeah, so the guys ba ne ke tla la bona Jamaican Stars, most of them it was colored. So and then in Marasta.
It is all
Yeah,
right.
before the game, the poopa. Gasha, imagine. And Gasha, as if I got la ball.
Zol after zol.
So after all, Majitaba, and then Mahotman, so they were more, you know. Barricade more more for because back then moto no sogola le boots, but they will make plan because nening the boots time our get but they fela the boots and re dlala go le potgo ngwe go le potgo ibilaneng is boots ya fela ka pela.
Same time.
Yeah, so those guys they will make plan gore re na le di boots and ya nong ka nna it was worse because never sa batlo mpone go mpona ke le outside ka dilonyana tse dialo pitinyana boots. No, they will make sure gore thabotla ke boots because they know what I will deliver. Yeah, so and kana go ke teng mo le gore the more you playing football, the more you becoming better in football. So they were also helping me in a way, but then I mean no la fela le win the tournament le lo Padia le Padia guy le a go joinama no sa joinama ke ya mara go ntone ke ja but ha ke na le bone ya ai jo go tla jwa thapi e tsenya mo sunya braiwa wa bona thapi tsenya mo foiling ya master ha gona bojwala no bojwala ke di drinki di gemere di lonyana tse di sweet no dilo tse di sharpo di jo sharpo. But no meat, but it was Majida sharp, man. Scripture, the just scripture. And then Marasta, straight. So, yeah, that part learning into you know to be disciplined, self-discipline, yeah.
Yes.
Tata. So, 2002, that's when Celtic City had the trial go Schoolmont Park, and they advised those guys, those Barnabalbatunanyana Morona, Oremona. Please, Tibos, attend the trial.
Advise our teammates.
Yeah, attend the trial. The Atlan in Bantrila were even ahead before because it started like June. I remember, I think beginning 2 months before. 2 months before. No, no guitar, it's fun. This fun, Nakwaya Tama. So, Nakwaya Fitla, I get the boots. They were away, but by the show, Genali the boots. Bantola the boots, ka tender. The quality they were still close, Kanakwe. Ka tender. I think for I think Bege le Matsatsi, Kalo the quality they are opening. So yeah, and Lena to get tender the trial, I can see. There's potential or I can make it. So kia go school in Gilokopa, my class teacher, and Tatemokwena. Petunia High School at that time, yeah, and scared some color little thing. Yeah, but it was English more. So kia gunta Tatemokwena and Tate, onal trial so. Koskumon Parks are sell Dixie. Kiokopa na ko kidi attend because kibona opportunity. ntate Mokoena a re mona ntete mona no man ha ke tsebe why o tlile mo because ga o tseba mo sekoleng because le sekoleng I was playing
Okay.
yeah so
Only
the
top
school
door, only-
yeah ne bankitse bana ba itse bana yeah ba re ke le khalati bilane yeah kana kwa ba itse ga ke dai ya magwe ka khala ba bo will say ke le khalati but yeah ntate Mokoena no ampha the blessings ka attenda those trials immediately because I went in the morning bana ntse ba kena ka ba kirita ba banga ba itse ba bona ke etswa fela because I didn't go ka uniform yeah ka tswa I walked because I was walking from my house to Skuman Park. The other friend of mine is late now, Doko Selekwe. So that guy, and while we were walking, where this is a busy road, but just on the side, Moseleng, Atlamezolo. And on Khotazalene, this guy, we started.
Tlamazolo.
Yeah, Tlamazolo. That guy used to love Dirazolo. On the way, I liked Rasha Ritu.
O na le dilemo tse kae da plus or minus
Kana go I was 20
October
20 because I felt late. Yeah, that was grade standard 9 at that time. Yeah. So Rawoka Zolo I tell me unzang khothatsa this guy hemona ke bona potential learn o started from the first day. Lene was the one on unzam pusha hemona let's attend dikole dabula lene he never even went there no kuspele. He stayed with me for another 2 weeks. That's when he went to school after capacity trial because on the trials it was Jimmy Agosti at that time anale Tony Dino Brega.
Oh, Tony, I remember.
I think it was 650 guys bartending players. Only 3 made it.
No.
I'm telling you.
That's what list I am.
Only I get into Bakata
from 650.
Yeah, it's a Bakata na kwenza dalisa
But
game.
come back next year.
Dalisa the game. Ha ba bona monate ba tsenya mo grouping ya nkareng e shaponyana ba tla bella ba bang mo siteng but o bone tomorrow ha ba bang ha ba tla ba bona so bakhatile and on the 3 so I was part of the 3 so it was other one was another guy from Bloemfontein.
Yes.
Nele Khalati. Other one from Ventersberg. Yeah, Ventersberg. So you can imagine, I mean, Kiboni Hore Witigi Mudimuteng. I mean, on those 3, I was part of that. Kare, this thing, then it's in me. I know it, and here's the opportunity. They're inviting me to Kilojimal first team.
Wow.
So yeah, I went. I think after a week, because back then my dad was still alive. Because same year my mom passed. Ka May, same year. Capacity trial towards end of June. Yeah, nearly because the school were closed since the winter towards end of June, and my dad was still alive. Because my dad passed on 2006. 2006.
And when I was signing.
Don't forget that Sports Geek with Sibonelo Ngcobo and Lebo Dihlake is proudly brought to you by Dihlake Construction and Plant Hire, so as Dihlake Cash Loans. And don't forget, if your bank balance is not a bank balancing too well, to give them a call on 073-956-8647. And Lapana Monazo Lapana eating was a construction and plant hire. Lapano Tinga about TLP, Vaterkan, excavators, you name it, you know exactly what to do. Always give them a call on the very same number, which is 073-956-8647. While you're still watching a Sports Geek with Sibonelo Ngcobo, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and even better, share the link. Make the circle bigger.
2002. I get it. That's when
So Mama would lose Mama to
yeah,
May.
same May.
So less than 60
after,
days.
Yeah, few weeks.
Days, yeah.
Ka ile gore ke attend those trials ka feletsa ke di pasitse but le teng ka ke iplela ke this thing it's you know ha modimo a kwala on the other side,
Exactly.
Bula on the other side, so that opportunity, I told myself I will never play ka yone. And I knew if ke tsena in the setup ya professionalism, then I need to stop smoking. Which I did. I did Kilara stopper, and as if like I've never went. Ne? As if I've never went. But I got stopper immediately, like after. I got stop immediately. Go tla na le majita ba ne ba tla ba congratulate magasta ba tle kontlong kwale ha ba tla ba tla ka dizolo I think no system is le teng yeah ga ja zolo no man name na all the best so much good luck yeah fast forward in on NFT ne re dlala NFT back then yeah so ha ke just gela ba pick up because they were training twice morning and afternoon, so now I couldn't attend their morning sessions. So after Sgela, every time, I will rush because the excitement, they are already,
Celtics is the big thing in
yeah, Balnataka, Caravel,
Brindilwing,
yeah, I make sure, but while I give at the fish or Bansi, I will cry, I don't want it. So I will rush after Sgela, my bag, leave everyone, go. You understand? Walk distance was maybe about 20 minutes, 25 minutes from Sgela to Control. So, yeah, ninning. I get ninning with the something yat lassi, how so you have to wait for the late car as Sgela says. Yeah, so late. Then we have to say Jokonyana. Give us a little yeah, so I'll make sure kita kontlong kanako so that bakonon pick up because it was Benjamin Reed.
Okay.
Yeah, Benjamin Reed was part of the technical team. Lina when they attend the trials and stuff. Yeah, mention. So sometimes he will be the one or driving the microbus.
Yes.
Nining ke Raymondo is also late. Raymondo is another guy. No se tro na le majita mang yeah o na le majita mang player ka ba latilweng klare a ke ra ntse batlana ba feta ka nna yeah so itlela go ntse na le majita ma 4-5 ya nong ra o tsena mo o tshwile nyana o kopana le majita ba le gore ba ntse ba tse ba le da yeah but until motho kila bona tloela the setup and yeah I think career me started like that like I said gore a ka batla go gonana go morago what happened and I said this is where I wanted to be.
Let me embrace it.
So yeah, so I need to take this with both hands and run with it. And I think I've done that until retire. Yeah.
First debut
I remember re home. Ko Seisa was on the bench. Remember warm up at the back, and we won this. The score was 2-1. I think we won the game 2-1. So it's a warm up with some other guys. Montlemo Papsak Aron Lepele.
Oh yes,
Taibos. Taibos. So because Kifilets about Taibos, so Moses, Jurimirai, Kibai
right wing.
Siema was there.
Was he the captain?
Was the captain, yeah. Seminal captain, the whole Punga Lebajwa. So
was your goalkeeper at the time? Or more?
Back then.
Was it Patrick or Mon?
No. No, Simon Khoban, yeah.
Okay.
Go NFT before he grab promotion. Yeah, did.
Yes.
Yeah. So ke bona go bencheng kwa le ba re
Tibos.
Yeah, ke ipotsa no ke mo fatshe ke ntse ke stretch nyana ke etsa dira mapo. Kiri, ki joke, magano joke yele,
But all of your heaviest one.
And they say so easy.
Sunday
on a Sunday. It was Sunday afternoon. Leopards. Hagit's score was 2-1. Was 1-1. Yeah. So the second goal, I can't remember very well. Okay, my score really because there was all the notes in as a sub. I remember. I think it's him who scored. The winning goal. So we won that game, and I think the rest was history, and that's when
you
started. No, after immediately I get introduction you Mutusa buang azwa ke kena. You know le shaking nyana, but hona le tashene ke receive ya ke yone nkamisen down no. di nerves la tsamaya ka ga mana ke tla
And crowd,
ya
yeah,
bona.
Uma, that
Yeah,
was-
because I mean ke re Mantashi ke mos ya dumela ke a utlwa dilo la dumela ke ga yeah ke re no man, this is just how we bona from outside sometimes so feel our pressure you ke la bona. Yeah, but I managed, and I think I gonna dlala game or I win at the good thing ubutsi you know your
Debut.
career yeah debut ka I win yeah.
And the coach at the time, Nelly Reed.
Nele Jimmy I get
Jimmy, of
the
course.
coach.
Oh, and the coach.
Yeah, Anale Benjamin Reed,
Yes.
le Tony Dinobrega.
Yes, Tony.
Le Tony Dinobrega, yeah. Goalkeeper coach, I can't remember who was it at that time. Goalkeeper coach, yeah.
About postnet, maybe so feel.
Nah, Postnet was so fihla.
Talking of, you mentioned a very good point that the crowd, because says
Yeah.
Yavuta and everything. So now, so Seklishile Ego Bloemfontein Celtics, talk to us about the influence, the pressure that came with when we were going to play maybe your big three, your Kaizer Chiefs, your Pirates, your Celtics. That week, the atmosphere, Mostrating, go Blom. Just talk to us, how was it like?
Yo.
Just maneuvering that week, I would say, but Chiefs is coming to town.
Yeah, one of that week, I think it's one of the guys who played for Chiefs Pirates when they are the derby.
Yes.
So, as Celtics players, no one will want to lose that game.
Okay.
They want to be part of that because the week from Monday, Redala Saturday or Sunday, you are feel you know what? You're playing for a professional team.
Yes.
Yeah, the vibe was something else. Bloemfontein was coming to stand gore waiting Celtics adlala.
This week.
And I could see le batho ba le they used to support both Pirates. Now ke se ke ba bona ba rekile dilo tsa Celtics. Yeah, then I'm saying hey, this team is big, and then now everyone here ba supported this team. So as a player, you don't want to disappoint these people at the end. So you have to give them the best results.
That's the least you can do.
Yeah, that's the least that you can do as players. And most when we play such games, such teams, Jimmy will put. And the cash. Yeah, come on dressing room, guys. You playing this. Jimmy was another guy on a motivator. That guy wa mokgopola man. Motho yalo, I say easy o ka mo lebala. Yeah, so on a motivator ka tsela le gore e pusha the team, the brand gore e kgone go excela. Yes. E kgone go dira to do well. And obviously, the guys, players, they're getting exposure out there to other teams. I mean, we used to lose for players. Bosia Bongankosi, remember Anazamaya. So it was. Lena, because I'm from Bloom, like I said. I don't want to disappoint my family.
Yes.
Because my dad, was a diehard Celtics. Yeah. So my Lena before. From 9 gaming. So I remember I used to support Pirates. I remember one day he took me, I was still young, badala ko Seisa. So Pirates beat Celtics. So Celtics, I think you remember, they used to fight those guys.
Yes.
That's an Ramufil team, but 10 cedi par. Yeah, but it's 6 cedi par. Yeah, and those guys nagging the inside bone, and about what is hollow. So I think maybe this thing inside. So it's a hole, yeah, it's a hole, and it's all. So you can imagine, my dad was on a tuba. Actually, guys, let me take you back. I used to steal my dad's wheat.
West Ham.
Yes.
West Ham.
No, it was there. No, no, but most of Majita Basha. Most of Majita Basha.
Wait, how good I did.
Yeah.
We go stadium. Oboya go south.
Yeah. Zolo and Uta. Lona Zolo.
So,
experiencing. Yeah.
Go stadium.
Yeah.
Laba shapa number.
Yeah. No, Zolo, yeah. Yeah. Bishop Stand, Bishop Stand, kada ni chap up, and the time on a katakada. So, yeah, I remember the Parliament takes go Caesar. ha ke boa because re lositse, it was a fight, we end up re tswa because on tshwere le nompeile mo on his neck wa bona ra tswa mo le so go phushana palama taxi re tlhologa mo re ya kontlong. So ha ke theoga ke teng mo ke startileng ke lla teng go team ya ka lositse ke la bona. So yeah, ke lebetse that party. That's another part because Leone football, I believe, we started there. You know, to come hotla the top stars batla mo town no batho ba re ba shebella mo TV. So gore batho ba they are here, they are people ya motivate gore hey you want to see yourself there. So from 9 years then ntse tsolla motho dala bolo mo strateng and I think skills kira from there. You kila bona yeah until o kopana le bo Tony Dinobrega bo Jimmy Agosti ba le gore they end up out there and le nna mo di trialing tsela I could see there's other players ba le gore they are good but they didn't make it. So football le yone batla o ne le pelo because o kana na you're not good you end up also bereka ka o tlogetse football bona sene ya.
So after debut ga go ne o jo bloma kwalo
yeah kana go ntse ke le kwa hae yeah ke na le time ke na le my sister khaitse diaka
you was started now you become a regular become a regular
yeah
I know it took you how long for to do that because of now I think but since the start movement ya go ba go so
yeah
o sa tlholona
yeah it's a 2 years it's a 2 years because ke gopola payment ya rona ne re fola line ko fleteng ya Jimmy ko fleteng ya Jimmy ko toropong a rentisa so we form a line bo Jam some
girl from Cosmos sehlako sera
so that night even in night remember some other night Jimmy na diretse braai but now ke na kwa gore re create child so re kry ka di envelope so I'm behind Jam and o bojele ne le motho a zolo le ene so ana bojele alo a ke itse kwatiswe ke mamang medinyana engwe
yena
Jam and Jam you don't wanna
It was a giant.
Yeah, it was a giant.
It was a giant.
Yeah, so go la ka di ne re sena account that back then. I think after 2 years that's when Dilo motona la account re krile promotion re a PSL. So I remember I give account ka ko Standard Bank, my first account. Ene le ko Standard Bank. So that's when re kira allowances za kanyana ka kirela le place nyana le fro ga lo dula ko Langoven Park.
Yes,
Langoven Park. That's when ke mang mfana wa ka anilente my son which I do have a second one which is Otabetso my daughter.
Yes.
Yeah. So life ya tswella I mean wa khona re ka lentlo teng kwa go Blom ko but ra ile ga move Langoven Park ra ya Northridge Mall closer to Northridge Mall closer there that's where we bought the house and that's nako ke tsamas ke ya Sundowns 2014 season ke nako ene re rentisa and what we end up antse re dula mo re be re rekisa bana so we moved this side I can move this side Ranamo Greenstone. Greenstone. That's where we never rent for 8 months. Rent and check because I was a Bloemfontein. So more than traffic. Ya no mare mo Josi maro traffic man. Ga batho traffic rona man. Go busy no man na ra sheba. Now we have to buy a house re bala ntlo a sa renta So go Greenstone no ga re grelwa agent engwe. Agent ra mmotsa ka Pitori man Pitori e yang house Pitori I don't know Pitori ntse le sharp ke re no man re batla go e bona le yone so that's when we went a re bontsha ra east side east go Moitloof that's where we bought 2014 I remember ke ile ga reka ra ema because ne re batla go banganya some other things wa bona mo ntlong re move in sentse le sharp so that's when we moved.
So how little ya ke lata le dinge history ya gago le ke batla o itse ke link ke batla le bitso le la gago la
Mr Cool yes
it's okay team ina ya marasta bo se bua zolo ke tradition everything you humble so meaning le bitso lena le go kopantsha le mo humble le bona bo tswa mo team ina
Mr. Cool.
La Mr. Cool.
Lebitso la Mr. Cool ke le kira go Celtics. Okay, lebitso la Mr. Cool ke le kira mo supporters sa Celtics. Mo le gore ne ba re Mr. Cool. So I could next understand why ba bolela eng. So ba bang ka ile gore ba e bua gore mona you are one of the defenders ba ile gore ba come on the ball.
Tatazeli.
Yeah, out Tatazela, and especially tsetsa Gauteng ba ga ba to di bona. You come out of tight situation, wa bona. Yeah, ba you are calm. So Mr. Cool. Wa bona literally like that. So yeah, ba how you come on the ball and I think it's because ke di positions tse ke di tletseng in the field of play. Ke tletse right back, ke tletse left back, ke tletse center back, ke tletse as a 6. One said, yeah, defending as a 6. Yeah, so ke tletse those positions so I could maneuver around. Yeah.
Second lapana
Itsipanya,
Bloemfontein Celtics. If you were to look nje kulapana career yakho ya lapana ku Bloemfontein Celtics, if you were to give us 1 or 2 highlights that you felt ukuthi nje that made Thabo Mthethe as feel ku cloud 9 in as far as your Bloemfontein Celtics stay is concerned. Imaphi nje ongasibalela wona ukuthi what are those highlights?
I will single maybe the games that I played. There's another game eketletseng re dlala le Wits University.
Yes.
Go Bloemfontein go Seisa. It was on a Sunday. Though I can't remember exactly the lineup in Elia, but I remember Mahlati. He was Petros Mahlati.
Mahlati, the former Bloemfontein Young Tigers.
Yeah, Young Tigers.
My former teammate, by the way.
Yeah.
My former teammate.
Yeah.
Bloemfontein Young Tigers. He was my former teammate. That's the last thing.
Yeah, so
from Tabanch.
That game from Kopis.
Kopis,
yeah.
Oh, I thought it was from Tabanch, yes.
So that game, I had a great game. Great game whereby, I could see first half before Renere missed the chance. Moses was there. I remember he missed a penalty in the Monif on the
Monif Joseph goals for Wits.
For Wits, yeah. So that game, other ball, second half, I got it. Acted as if like a passer. Striker wa impress ka pasa ka betsa face ka tsena ka yone ke pasa ko ntle a kwala side ile ka tsena ka yone ke jumpa halfway line now ha ke jumpa halfway line gona le Rane, I think jury me right so something it was on the right, I remember. So I made it as if ke pasa a jury but ke pasa ke pasa mo for Mahlati around the defender hopefully they focusing gore ball is going that side. So ke pasa this side Monife a tswa lene because it was through. So Mahlati just went outside foot. Goal. Yeah, that goal. Yeah, assist. Yeah, so it was one of the games I've been talking about more the interviewing, especially when I get such questions. So I think and the other one kia Makufe. Makufe, where we played in the Chiefs. Chiefs. Yeah, so we won that game. Junior Kanye was the one. Nali busy. Algo Chiefs. Yes. Yeah. And a season before, he dribbled me and he went and scored and they won. Yeah. But the following season, I play busy. So following year, that's where I had a great game. I didn't score, I didn't create like this one, but I had a good game and against a good team. So I will also single that game. I can't remember which year exactly, but it was a Makufe game.
While you were still called Celtics, were you still called Celtics at the time when Bloemfontein Celtics were coached by Paul Dolez? I believe one of the trophies that you won was
Super 8.
Super 8,
yes.
SAA Super 8.
Yes.
Were you there?
Yeah, I was. Go Poch. Yeah, Go Poch. Yeah. That time I was not a regular, but I could get bench there and there, but not to play more often. I remember Liga Final. I traveled with the team, but the 18, I was not part of the 18. I was on the stand. I supported the team from the stand. I was still part of it. Paul Doleza. Funny one. Yeah.
That team, what's problematic in what team?
Sasi Chalwe.
Kilambe.
Yeah,
Watson Kilambe.
Onaskima Kilambe.
Watson Kilambe. Because Nunes
Ah,
was there.
ah,
Penally,
Sashi-
Siyabonga Nkosi, I think.
Sashi Chalwe was a problem. No, Nunes unalisigo kasilo.
Guys,
Kasi, yeah, Nenenkosi, Nebonkosi, yeah.
Siyabonga Nkosi.
Yeah, but Chalwe was the one. Nalibizi, nasakobale, that man. Nasakobale. So, yeah, yeah, I mean, but the coach, very funny. Yeah, though you that match and you end up unale this anger man why what's happening but you unale patient at the same time I mean one needs to be ready and a positive because sometimes but kana go no saibone so o create opportunity and it's only the negative thoughts and you end up you're not playing sharp yeah. So mindset was supposed to be ready but the surrounding was good as well. At that time, especially na kunso sadlala. Yeah, ba motivator.
How you mentioned Paul Doleza, you said, "Ishongkhuputsa coach Iyewo."
Yeah.
I'll try and look on the positive side. Gabo. No, I won't look at the negative side.
Yeah.
I'll make your life easy. I conclude with Paul Doleza, needless to say, was not your favorite coach. So in your Bloemfontein Celtics day, which coach Ogari Eshwamo Favara Wamofila, you and him, you could go to war for that coach and why?
Kabozondo, Anale, Jimmy Agosti as a motivator.
Yes.
Yeah. Kabozondo. If you yeah, Kabozondo. Kabozondo Celtics. He was coach for Celtics. The football type of football in Insuita because I'm one of the defenders but prefer from the back. So I prefer like that. Yeah. So which other guys they won't prefer to do that. But want to risky. Yeah. So nadi denye dalanya si kitso fairly on yeah. Yeah, would build from the back. Yeah. So can you comfortable like that? Yeah, but how the risk I could
read.
So the best thing I could read the game. I could read the game and this speedy, quick, the late, they could press you. But how whoop, start again. I don't want to concede goal, trying to play. I once did that. Nonvetes took the ball and they went and scored. And I lose. Yeah, and we lost that game. You can imagine. My recovery age, me bra. And I was still the captain. Yeah, I remember I was the captain. Regular at that time. After John retired, that's when I took Maduka. Yeah, after I retired, that's when I took the captain's belt. Yeah.
Talking of you becoming the captain, which also takes me back to the very same, almost the same question: who was the coach at that time who entrusted you with the armband?
I remember. Benjamin Reed, part of it.
Yes.
But as assistant,
not David Modise. Wasn't there?
No, I remember I forgot this coach. Tony Nobrega was still there.
Yes.
But there was this other tall from outside man. But I think I'll remember. Yeah, he was the one. He was favoring me, that guy. He also wanted to take me for trials, even out overseas. But which he never materialized. It never happened. Scored the way, and I'm favoring. Yeah. He once coached go Ajax, man. He was white guy.
Not from Holland.
From Holland. I just
forgotten his name.
Black hair, the tall, a little bit skinny. Yeah. I don't know why I forget that guy.
So Benjamin
it was part of it. Yeah, obviously the influence. This is the right person to take the team forward. To lead the team
forward.
Yeah.
Talking of you being Mr. Cool, talking of you ube monati da komra ukuthi ibhola ayithatha ibekwe ayitrap awutatazeli. Which takes me now to the move Sundowns, because that's the style Mamelodi Sundowns play, and funny enough, you ended up playing yona Mamelodi Sundowns. Abadlala ibhola leli vele wena comfortable now ngayo. Which takes me back with how did your Mamelodi Sundowns come about, or how did it happen with you leave Celtics for Mamelodi Sundowns?
Yeah, I remember I started ka Coach Pitso a ntse le assistant ko Bafana. So nako e ke kry call up ke mo kry mo World
Grady collapse umogai.
Bafana.
Umogai
Ke mo
at the time.
Celtics.
Mo Celtics
Mo
that time.
Celtics.
Oh.
Ke kry call up to Bafana while we are in
It was in the Bafana fold.
set up, yeah. He will say Ang Sebele on the side, because if you remember 2013, 2012, that's when we won Telkom Rebeza Sundowns Suko Debe.
Yes, I remember.
Remember? Yeah.
And
was
guess who was in the
December.
stadium?
You-
Guess who was in the stadium? Oh, look no further, guys. Oh, I was there mocking.
Oh.
No, I was there mocking.
Yeah.
And funny enough, I can tell you now I was supporting Celtics on that game.
Serious? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the coach of Sundowns, Nele Heskins.
Haskins, yes.
Get
Yes.
that game.
From Netherlands, I saw.
Yeah, Tsamaya. Pizzo, aya, ba pointa Pizzo.
Yes.
Yeah, and in late December. So remember get a mile meet season ka January. Yeah, 2013, 2014. So na kwentse ke ra di collabo Pizzo before that final evening.
Yeah.
Pizzo o nantsa bua le nna. It's like Pizzo knew when something happens, yeah.
Haskins.
Yeah, I think you know those talks the Sundowns back then, yeah. So kara coach na ke sharp, and I wanted a change because I mean ke dutse ko Celtics for 10 years.
10 years, yes.
Yeah. So but it was not easy for me to go ke buele Aiki younger brother wa Jimmy.
Yes, I know.
Because he was much better. I prefer to go to him because
Ike.
Jimmy, yeah, Ike.
Ike, Jimmy could be emotional.
Yeah. Jimmy, I told myself, I got to do mail. Yeah, I knew Jimmy, how the relationship, because my dad knew Jimmy very well. Jimmy used to take me home after training. Ka M3 ya gagwe putsi, so o fila o tsena go kasi kwale ya ka slasa. So ke no, a better person ke Ike. So I went to Ike ka mlela boss, please man, Sundowns, you know they were already ntse ba bua, but ke kopa please make it happen gore ke move. I've been with the team, but I think now is the high time for
I've
me
paid
to
my
change.
dues,
Yeah. Whereby Chiefs in Nzeta, you will be through the phone, but the Zaga in a sharp compared to Celtics. Hogi move and Kacheka or relocator from Free State to Josie. I need something concrete.
Lucrative, yeah.
Yeah.
So Chiefs and Pirates, what they were offering you at the
it
was
was
not enough.
Yeah, it was not enough until Pizzo as Harama. It was the offer once. I couldn't say no. I couldn't say no. No. Kaya Sundowns so and then January. That's when Killer got hope like Copan and Killer monkey eating Lani. Kina gwana face off face and then I Chiefs.
Killer,
I Chiefs. So Lena remember Killer January. So yeah, I think season appeal Nike feet that season. Mid-season, we win a league. 2014. Yeah. We win a league. We win a league fella only that season. I remember Chiefs won a Monova leader thing about 11 points.
Yes.
Yeah. Ke dlala ka bo Chisi, bo Pelembe. Na team. Surprise Moriri. Surprise Moriri. So it was a good team. So Rafael Zara win league that season,
2014,
2013,
14, because
yeah.
14-15 it was won by Chiefs.
Yes.
Yeah, you won it 13-14.
Yeah. Then following season I winner King Nedbank. Nedbank ya go PE re dlala le Ajax, if you remember. Ajax, yeah.
So you know ikutlwa yang Tibos, because now o tswa go Celtics o dlala maybe more kgwedi 3 times or 4 times. Go fitla go sana so yana
go dlala ya beke dula le reidi. Pitso na ga ya la mona beke dula le reidi ra tsamaya mo ga bere kam. Yeah, no, ke ne ke gona o fila that the difference compared to Celtics, yeah, because I mean already ke after re winne ebile because ha ke itla January yo ke tletse immediately
Go Sundowns.
right through ka dlala you know other guys someone o na dlala mo the foreign guy you na dula le angry for another guy ha mpona ba mmeletse mo side o na le yeah
I think I was in from Larono.
but le sola gage wa Ghana yeah so na phela ya kwatile la go ampo la ke bua le ene wa bona ba tlo go dira conversation le nna because o re Satan yeah mo just avenge but from there ka I played right through we won the league and yeah that season the rest was
So you were part of the Mamelodi Sundowns that won the Star.
yeah a winning star. So coming to that question the difference ke boneng ke di games in re di dlala lot of games but the recovery ya Sundowns was very good because the keeper really sharp le bafana but there's not they don't feel it that way. No, recovery is very good. I'm sure they're still keeping that thing ya bone. The program ya bone, yeah. They still keeping it the way because bafana every time they getting games ko bafana aboe adlale league adlale cup but they still perform not gore bona le fatigue or something like that. Recovery ya thing very good and the session not that long. Jimmy 2 hours no. Had the game hectic. You can go even for an hour. Yeah.
The back and forth,
Yeah.
travel,
Flight is about the hours and stuff. No.
connect.
I think now you will have upgraded. I think they're much better. Yeah, I think so connect you we were straight.
Isikhathi lapha esasiqala ukusishaya yabona the crew lapha they've started timing barinako eyile but let's try and wrap up some of our points of discussion. You played for for Bloemfontein Celtics. You played for Mamelodi Sundowns. Yes, ulebzo sekakubuzile ngama adjustment ilife yakhona lapha ku Bloemfontein Celtics versus Bloemfontein Sundowns versus Bloemfontein Celtics. To me, I regard you as you are the legend, Bloemfontein Celtics. Maybe I might be wrong, but looking at the stats, born and bred go Blome, 10 years ago Bloemfontein. I assume with yes, you might have played about Sundowns, about Mang. I believe your blood is green and gold. Going back,
Right.
green and white. I believe your blood is green and white. Celtics.
Yeah.
Going back to 2021, Bloemfontein Celtics was bought by Royal AM. Umamkhize, and then eventually it relocated to KwaZulu-Natal, Durban. Needless to say, Bloemfontein Celtics was defunct. Kwaphela ngaye Bloemfontein Celtics, it never existed. Just talk to us about the transaction yokudayiswa ke Bloemfontein Celtics to Royal AM. Kuphele inya out of the blue nge Bloemfontein Celtics without being relegated or anything of that nature. But that transaction just talk to us when as Utabon and as umuntu who was born and bred at Bloemfontein.
Yeah, after one of those news already because I was already in Pretoria.
Yes.
So I can believe, to be honest, and I believe it will happen.
Yes.
But I had this thing there will be someone because Mr. Chabalala.
Max
Max Chabalala
yes.
was the owner at that time. So there will be someone Okatang. Because people they know Celtics, what is it? Celtics go Bloemfontein. So no one will want to see Celtics going down. So this thing I wanna in Nasiriya I not once, couple of times, ke attenda the game is Mamkis, Hanzale NFT.
Yes.
Hanzale NFT.
Yes.
Hona lumone pelo eaka ere ki buele and let me speak to the lady man. You can own the King Celtics,
yes.
but let it be based
in Bloemfontein.
Yes. Yeah. And but I end up not saying anything because of Nekiela Homo supporter for Team Yagare, and I didn't get a time, the right time for me to say that platform or something like that. And can example that much. Back then, okay, compared to now I think I could also tell you can't do that. But back then, but I couldn't get that time. So because Celtics people, they have jobs because of that.
Celtics,
I
yes.
could see bo old lady bana ba rekisa bo dijo because there were a lot of them, a lot, and I've seen Celtics idirela batho ba bang life is abona di be easy in Bloemfontein. And checking Bloemfontein is not a big city.
Yes, absolutely.
You understand? So how na le Bloemfontein Celtics on everything to me it was like that because ho na le vibe. Anyway, from nowhere when Celtics plays, I know how people ba go Bloemfontein ba bang happy ka teng.
Yes.
So go ba bona ba le said I didn't want to see that. So ke ne ke sa feel sharp obviously, but this thing ya end up by this thing really happened. Yeah, so I mean only wish, and I used to go Bloemfontein I go high. You meet people ba re mona Tibos team ya tsamaya o dira monna ha ona le se ka dirang e mona bua le batho man ba tle ka tšhelete to own this thing. These people they were never bona ngata le motho yeah o kila bona le batla ka financially gore a thole team I be go team go Bloemfontein, but it end up tsamaya chinchwa lebitso gone
Relocate
for those years go le quiet ka le gore ba fana go tlhaga ma BTK Born to Kill go Bloemfontein.
Okay.
So there's nothing e le gore ya ba motivator e le gore ing motivated from the beginning ntse ke tla le nna ke gola ke ya go stadium le timer wana sene ke bona di stars ditla so a go sana bolo wana sene so ka re ke yone di ding e le gore motho no tsa batla gore ka se yao e through yone no se tsona le ma BTK ba bola batho a ba tsa ba bola ba ba kgaola ditlhogo ba ba tsenya ditlhogo tsa bona ya ke gangsters ba ba tsenya mo dikgetsing ya ba tla bona ga madi a lantsa rotha ba tlogela bodi mo tlhogo a itse o ise go kae. It was happening in a trend that thing ba ibitsa ma BTK Born to Kill.
Sure.
So ke nako team ntse le siko go sena football go Bloemfontein. It was 5 years.
Yeah, 5
years. 5 years. Yeah.
So fast forward to 2025 July, some rescue came to the community of Bloemfontein. Yes, Bloemfontein Celtics is not yet back. We do have Siwelele FC. What is your take on the Siwelele FC still not having Bloemfontein? So that transaction of having Siwelele FC, what is your take? Is it the question of half bread better than nothing, or there's still that emptiness? At the end of the day, it's still not at Bloemfontein. What is your take? Or how is the mood go Bloemfontein right now, having Siwelele FC as some kind of saving the situation?
The mood I've seen already, but they are very happy, the supporters, and they're still there.
Yes.
When the supporter team,
Bloemfontein Celtics.
Celtics, yeah, yes. Supporters, they're still going there. But now, this thing now, in sense of Shapo, ki feel like they need to get that name. And I heard gore lina le la tsamaya yes. Someone is selling it a couple of millions
yes.
And then now chairman Kelvin Legion
yes
o buile gore he's not crazy a ka se reke the name because it that molemela o ile rekisa that name the Celtics ka 600 and something thousand that molemela
yes
because we zile gore yeah, ke o direla batho ba Bloemfontein. Yeah. So now so do business. Yeah, because I think Max Shabalala was owning it. Le end up le go ntate modisi a ke busy ke mang. Yeah, but ba re ke ena le ownang. So ke ne ke feel gore Bloemfontein Celtics it must be called that name. Bloemfontein Celtics. Remember those supporters and those
t-shirts green and white.
Yeah, that logo
and everything.
The history, thing.
Yes.
Yeah, so I chiefed I dress you, but I think it was the right time for teaming netting because back then Celtics they were moving up and down, happy supporters, but it ended up not happening. So, but now at least the chairman came, Kelvin, I reka, no, let me call this thing, maybe this name, and ke tla nne ke rane, maybe until
Sanity
ke le
prevail.
thola, maybe
1-2
ha
years
le
down the
thola,
drain.
who knows, go ga nako e ntse ya ba tla utlwella batho ba Bloemfontein gore hey, team ya e boe fully in Bloemfontein Celtics.
Awusezwa laphana insizwa yasho laphana isivakashi sethu Thabo Mr Cool and Tete asho athi yes, it might not be called Bloemfontein Celtics, but having Siwelele FC is definitely better than nothing. Simzwile laphana esho ethi in the haters of Bloemfontein Celtics for the past 4 years, laphana gangsterism found its way in the community of Bloemfontein. So having Siwelele back in Bloemfontein, unalo laphana ithemba ukuthi definitely it will change things for the better. Let's hope a Bloemfontein community, they'll still come out in numbers and give Siwelele FC all of the support that they gave way back to Bloemfontein Celtics when it was still known as Siwelele Samaselesele Phunya Selesele Bana Bawushebile. Sisuke lapha eBloemfontein Celtics isikhathi sesiphikisa. I just want us to zoom into one thing. I can't really ngiyekele lento. You served national team. You played for Bafana Bafana, and usushilo ukuthi that's when you did umashelana wenu no Pitso Mosimane laphana kwi Bafana Bafana. Usukela kwi Celtics your serve national team niyashelana no Pitso Mosimane kwi Sundowns. But angikho ke lapho. The main thing that I want to talk about is the opportunity that you once got of captaining Bafana at some stage. If I'm not mistaken, I believe we were playing against Lesotho, if my memory serves me well. Just talk to us. And I know Tumelo Nkune at that time, I believe he was a regular captain. And when you got that opportunity of captaining Bafana Bafana, just talk to us about that opportunity and what it means to captain in ngesifisha ngesuit insihlopa sasichaba. Hey man.
Yeah, so
to captain the national team in
yeah.
Bafana. Just talk to us about that. And I believe who was the coach at that time?
Gordon Ingerson.
GI, yes, Gordon Ingerson. Just talk to us about that opportunity that you got of captaining Bafana Bafana.
Yeah, obviously, I mean, it was a big thing that happened to my career Kanakuyu. And ke check gore ke nako e ntse ke dlala regularly. Coach Gordon will call me, you know. I was
Where were you that time?
It's at the Celtics.
Go Celtics.
Go Celtics.
Yes.
Go Sundowns. So I went only once.
Bafana
Bafana when Brazil beat us 5. That was my last game.
Ronan Williams was in goals, I believe.
Ronan Williams, yeah.
Was in goals, I believe.
And I was a captain.
You captain Bafana?
I was the captain, yeah.
Catch Sampam.
Like Spain, when we beat Spain, I was the captain. But it was Gordon Ingerson, Nakoyo.
Yes.
I think Gordon is one of the coaches who never rata the way
yes.
Yeah, commitment, AI bonang. And the captain because I think game is over 6. Which I was a captain 6-7.
Go Bafana
Sure, yeah, go Bafana. And whereby there was guys they were there before me, but not more caps than me, but he ended up choosing me. So for me it was that thing kind of from the beginning. This is opportunity grilling, so I need to work hard and make sure guys and I think I've done that. Until okay, I need to give others a chance.
So more that game, and I think there was Neymar. So officially, you are telling us when you shared the field, Neymar.
Yeah, that night,
Rap shoulders, what teklishu Neymar, man.
Yeah, Marie, that night, my son was on my case. Oh, Daddy, how can you not look at Neymar, man? Daddy, what is Neymar not right? Yeah. As I want to take off on Fanole, keep what's again for no quickiana. Neymar. Yeah, Alimo. How to receive a bolo? The way to hang corner. No, he's on his toes all the time. No, so I could see there's a lot of difference. The difference between us and those guys.
We put a how.
Yeah. Yes, Razwana. Maybe give more training, obviously. And set up Sakakwa training young. You know, the best training everybody kriyang. Yo, there were two, sir. mo ka dirang teng ba shapa 5 yeah.
5-0
Yeah, mara ya Spain it was a great one also.
le jile Spain.
Because yeah, re ile ka shapa Spain.
Where was
Mo FNB?
FNB
Mo FNB, yeah. It was ba felletse bo Iniesta.
Iniesta,
Or Sergio Ramos. I remember after the game, they didn't even want to change to give us the t-shirt.
the t-shirts.
They went straight.
Ba kwatile.
Boom. Yeah, they were angry. They were angry. Very angry. Yeah.
And
yeah.
Gordon Ingerson was the coach. Who was
no.
the coach at the time?
When was it? No, ka Spain.
Yeah.
Ka Spain in LA. No, man. No, it was Gode.
It was GI.
It was
It was
Gode.
GI.
It was Gode.
It
Yeah.
was Gordon.
Yeah.
Only Gordon has
Yeah,
such
because
a record.
Yeah.
so it
No, it was
after
not Beats.
yeah,
It was not Beats.
yeah,
It was
it's not
Gordon
that
Ingerson.
way.
Say that though, but it's with us Martin because of
Eh,
Yeah.
Ona le Fer Pereira because of Lena Mula.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
So abakena.
Yeah, ke ile ka World Cup, which I traveled le bone go ya to antse re prepare before World Cup.
yes.
Only selo ya bo Pereira. King final squad
Yes.
nalandile ka re bilo tsa kantle.
Andile Jal. Balkat.
Yeah, ba re khata. I mean, we went to Brazil for a month.
Yes.
Ra ya Germany, ra bo Iceland, ntse re prepare yeah. Pizzo was still part of it, akere le nna nako ya. So
Masasivala laphana ngiyabona i-crew laphana iyangilwisa engishaya ngo your time is up. Masasivala nje laphana awusitshele nje laphana ukuthi uThibos njengamanje uyini abhizi ngaya.
okay, yeah, I've been coaching Go Keswick for the past 5 years.
Keswick
Keswick Stars.
Keswick Stars.
Yeah. Which Keswick
Episode
Stars.
Utsipe Foundation.
NFD.
Yes.
Yeah.
Utsipe Foundation.
NFD. But I'm no longer there.
Yes.
Contract not been renewed.
Okay.
So I'm still looking. Yeah.
On the market.
Yeah. Ke mo marketing.
Eh.
So the okay, I did D license. I did C
yes.
license.
Yes.
I was on the edge ya go attend the B license currently busy go taxi. Kind of busy at the playoffs. Go Keswick, so I couldn't attend and leave my job. So you can join in the middle of the time
Okay.
because those hours that you missed, you have to cover them. So bare ya tla October. So it mo Gauteng mo Joburg.
Yes.
Yeah. So I think I will attend those. Kana ko a sentse ke eleting. Then because I need to get my badge, I need to get A. Yeah, so that's the plan going forward. Yeah, so but I'm still looking.
So do you pay for all this license?
Yeah, you pay for them.
Is it
You pay for them. Yeah.
for fortunes or
Yeah, now it was, I think the B license was supposed to be 12 point something.
is it?
B license. B license, you stay there. Bao bukela you. So I suddenly D, C. C, you go home after from morning, start in the morning, 8 o'clock until 4.
Okay.
Yeah. Then you go back, get the assignment and a lot of stuff. It's only C, same thing. So B, it becomes more spanny because when you get back to your room, more about thing, you start working already. Only the assignments that you have to do as a group. Understand? Yeah. So yeah. So I'm
Talking of being unemployed, talking of being on the market, in case there's a potential employer out there or whoever go far is how does one get hold of it, haven't it?
Yeah, I think through Instagram, I do have Instagram, which is
yes.
Ntete Bennett. So I think by DMing me, I think that's the right way. And because I don't have an agent
Yes.
or a manager, I've been managing myself since go Celtics.
Because Sundowns was an contract.
No, go Sundown. So
Yes,
I went Mike Makap.
Mike Makap, okay.
Yeah, Mike Makap. But the last stop contract then can continue.
On your own.
Kila when you get to a place you don't know these people who's the right person so you want to get there with someone and take it from there.
Take it from
Yeah, so yeah, they can get me there. I don't know the number.
if you are comfortable,
Yeah.
if you are
Abafuna
if
lawo.
you are not comfortable,
Yeah,
asizwe laphana
yeah.
isho insizwa laphana Thabo Mthetho, if there happens to be a good Samaritan out there, he may always get in touch with him
Yeah.
on Instagram. Ukhona laphana ku Instagram Nthethe Bennett if ngaphazama. Talking of Bennett, how many T's abaku Bennett? Is it two or one ku Bennett?
At the end, by 2.
By 2.
BENETT.
Double T. And Thethe Bennett ukhona laphana ku Instagram uyakwazi ukuthi laphana DM uma kuthi khona into ofuna ukuthi uyithi homom nawo laphana insizwa uThabo Mthetho. Sizwile insizwa issue laphana. Yes, he was not breaking. He was just stating it ukuthi yes, uke wadlala nabo Neymar. Udlile iSpain. He did it all. He played for Sundowns. He played for Bloemfontein Center. He captained national team. He captained almost all of this team. That was our guest in the form and shape of Thabo Mthetho, all the way from Bloemfontein, Mangaung, Mopere Etsiu, City of Roses. Baba, siyabonga kakhulu for isikhathi sakho.
Bonga mina. Thanks. Money. Matseba.
Kopa assembly for me. Go le ditaba tse shotang.
Yeah. Second one. Ai, ke teng Godman. Ke teng. Re kaofela rona re teng ke re wa itse keeper. So yeah, ke tlo tla for session ke gutlanyana ga
I dealt with the big shot but Thabo Mthetho Thabo. I did so go Bloemfontein Young Tigers. Oh, good.
Yeah. And the money masters in na betse ke dala striker.
Yeah,
ke gate se defender. Ke defender le magot gane.
We so foros ya.
Striker ya. Ke shapa nete.
That's how we come to an end of our discussion with the former Bloemfontein Celtics Mamelodi Sundowns Bafana Baroka FC RTS Galaxy at Dumozo onde balantoni nabethunana Chippa United Bafana Bahot abafana baba njengo pelepele yona laphana insizwa ekuyadudulana ngeifuba nabo onemo Iniesta onde balantoni nabethunana. Let's do this once again on the next episode. Till then, from Sports Geek with Spanelo Ngcobo and Lebo Dihlako, it is bye-bye.